Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP DeskJet 3755. This is a multifunctional printer. It's one of the world's smallest all-in-one printer. You can copy, scan, and print from this printer. The scanner for this printer is on top here. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink 65. Now, going to connect the cable, push the cable inside, plug it onto the power, and the light is highlighting here. So you switch this printer on and off from this button, and you can see this is the LCD screen. Inside the LCD screen, a warning light is highlighting here. The ink cartridges are empty, so we need to install the ink. This is the reason why the light here is flashing. You can see the light that is flashing here. The ink cartridges are empty. Now, to install the ink, open up this chamber here, and the ink cartridges holder will position itself to the center where it's supposed to be. I ordered these ink cartridges from abroad. This printer is actually from the US, so it's not here in the UK. There we go. 65 extra large and 65 black. So these are the ink cartridges this printer is using. Now, to install the ink, just need to open up this is 65 triple colors, so pull off this, then take the ink. Once you go into the colors go to the left and the black goes to the right. So go in, then push it upwards, and it's in. Now take the black color, this is the black 65 XL. Pull off, then go in, push it upwards. So once you go in, the next thing you need to do, push it upwards, and it's in. Just make sure that it's not falling off, then gently close the door. And here we go. So if you look here, the light that was flashing here is off. The light that was flashing from the ink cartridges are now off. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. If you want to remove the ink cartridges as well, just open up this chamber again. Then you wait for the ink to position itself. There we go. To remove the ink, push this down. Push down to remove it. If you close this, the light is now flashing and the ink measurement gauge are empties. Both of them are empties, and you can see the light here is a warning light is now flashing in the ink cartridges to show you that the ink cartridges are missing. So we're going to put this back. Just open the chamber, then take the black colored one to the right, push it inside, take the colored one to the left, push it inside, then close the chamber. Once you close it, give it time and the light is gone off. The light is gone off here. So this is how to install the ink cartridges for HP DeskJet 3755. This ink cartridges also work for HP 3772 and also HP 3755. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.